Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas to all the doubters, to all the haters who've told me I'm not gonna follow through and make any more TCG content. You were kinda right. It's been an entire year, but here we are back again with another trading card. What is it? Game? Trading card game? You can tell I still don't really collect these. But in all actuality, I have bought even more card games this past year. I just haven't unboxed them yet, so here we are. Merry Christmas. You saw that I had a lot of Magic the Gathering this year, but I also got a lot of Pokemon too. So we're starting with the Pokemon cards from 2024. I got these as from McDonald's, so these are McDonald's promo cards. I believe I got them from the kids' meals. So one lucky viewer is gonna get one of these boxes. I think it said $5 or so on TCG Player if it's unopened, and I read online that the value is gonna go up. So if you want to keep them for the value, you're getting it for Christmas. You know who you are. But it did come with some stickers, came with a poster, and then it actually came with what looks like a real booster pack, but it's a McDonald's 2024 US promo. So I thought they were all going to be the same packs inside. That's what the McDonald's worker told me when I bought these. I ended up buying 3 different ones. I just had 3 different meals. And then when I look it up on TCG Player, actually there are different cards that come in them. I think they're mystery cards. So I got the one I wanted. If I was going to get something, I wanted Pikachu or Charizard. They don't have any holographic Charizard, so I did get the holographic Pikachu. And then at the bottom, I think it does say M24, McDonald's 2024. So these are promos. I gotta throw them in some sleeves. But I figured if we're gonna do surprise unboxings, and we're gonna do 12 days of them leading up to Christmas Day, we'll start with the one that everybody wants, Pokemon. And then I think there's new Pokemon, because I'm pretty sure I've heard of Umbreon, but it wasn't in the original Pokemon Red that I played. But in any case, you did see I got Spider-Man for Magic the Gathering. I had Final Fantasy. I bought the collector's gift set, which apparently skyrocketed in price. I bought it for MSRP of $90 or so, and I think it's worth like $400 or something now. I'll look it up. But I think we'll just do Final Fantasy tomorrow. So tune in again. Welcome back to the yearly TCG unboxings.